create a notebook file, Jupyter file, I'm sorry. For doing that, you have to create a new bottom in Python 3. I already created, which is untitled. I just simply press that one. So it might take a few seconds to load. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna use our first library called pandas. Actually, there are a lot of libraries, let's say basic libraries such as pandas, numpy. I'm sorry, here should be with lowercase. Let's say matplotlib, seaborn. All these libraries we're gonna use in the future videos. But for this video, I'm gonna use only pandas library. So I imported, and right now I'm gonna upload my dataset. It's called data, and it is in Excel format, which is XLSX. So we need to call from pandas library the function called readExcel, and we need to write simply pd.readExcel and the name of your data, right? Okay, we created our data frame called data. So here it is. By the way, so this is artificially created a data set, so we can use it for, let's say, for free. After uploading the data set to Jupyter, I'm gonna start learning about my data set. So for doing that, we have to call the function called describe, which means dataframe.describe. And it will show us the basic statistics, descriptive statistics, with count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, which is median value, 75th percentile, and max value for each of the columns. If you notice, even though we have a lot of columns like name, surname, gender, date of birth, city, nationality, income, dependents, and so on and so forth, describe method will work only for numeric columns. Okay, so this one you have to remember. After learning about descriptive statistics, the next we need to actually count how many values in each, let's say, column. Okay, for doing that, we need to create a new cell by Alt plus Enter. So Alt plus Enter buttons. Okay. So we create a new cell, and let's say I'm gonna study how many, what is my counts for education column. Okay. For doing that, we say data, column, square brackets, column name called education, and let's say dot value underscore counts. So it will show me, I'm sorry, it says that it is not defined. That's why we need to go here and start executing our cells. Okay. So it might take a few seconds. Now it will work. Right here. So we have 5,057 graduate people and less than 5,000 not graduate. And we can do for any column you want, like let's say nationality or status, let's say for status. Okay. So for that, we need to just write data, status, the column name, dot, value, and counts. So like this, simply like this. So right now, sometimes we want not only numeric values, but to actually draw it, right? So you can just plot it. Let me just copy from here, okay? I'm copying from here and then write plot. And let's say kind equals to bar. we can plot like a bar, or we can plot like pi. Simply just write pi like this. So in order to show the percentage, we need to say auto PST equals 1.0f. I hope like this. Here's a mistake. Should be without this, I guess. Yeah. So for that, I'm sorry, we need to clear this error by simply auto PST, and right here should be percentage, and here should be F. Let's say like this. Yeah. So we can also put this one here, and it will show us in the percentage. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video.